Hey, what's up backyard dippers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Saltron Retro Saltwater Chlorinator, a great option, especially if you've got an above ground pool, okay? You'll see how it can drop in with no plumbing or wiring required. This Saltron Retro is a perfect do-it-yourself solution if you're looking to keep that pool clear and eliminate the need to regularly buy and add traditional chlorine. Let's dive in what comes in the box, how it works, and see if it's the right one for you. So what is the Saltron Retro? In a nutshell, it's a salt chlorine generator designed to keep your pool sanitized, but without the need to install it in a pool plumbing or hardwired into power. Yep, you heard me right, 100% do-it-yourself friendly for most people. It operates independently from your pool circulation or filtration system, which means you don't need to mess with your existing setup. Instead, it simply just hangs over the wall. Okay, just plug it in and you're good to go. Since it's specifically designed for above ground pools and small in-ground pools, the first thing you'll notice about the Saltron Retro is the unique configuration. This bell-shaped chlorine generator housing has a salt cell inside where the chlorination takes place. And you can see that it comes with two options for mounting in your pool. For above ground pools, this bracket hangs over the pool frame and under the pool rail or ledge. Okay, alternatively, if you take a look at this bracket here, this lets you anchor it into the decking or the coping. Now it is manufacturer rated for up to 20,000 gallons and can generate up to 0.4 pounds a day of free chlorine. All right, remember the industry rule of thumb here is to have a maximum capacity of at least 1.5 to 2 times your actual pool size, depending on your climate and pool usage. So if you've got a smaller pool or above ground setup, this could be a solid choice. Finally, you have the digital controller. Okay, the Retro Chlorine generator plugs into its power supply, which can simply plug into a protected GFCI outlet. This powers the entire system, controls the chlorination settings, and features a built-in timer to automate your pool's chlorine production. That way you can almost set it and forget it. Also, the salinity range it operates at is 3,000 to 4,000 parts per million, which is pretty standard, so you want to make sure your pool salt level is within that range. The controls have an LED indicator that allow you to confirm this. Once you've mounted it and plugged the power supply into the GFCI outlet, set it to generate chlorine every day. And that's it, you're good to go. The Saltron Retro comes with a 1-year warranty, so if you run into any issues, you're covered for a solid amount of time. To wrap it up, when you do test the water, you should see the free chlorine level consistently within range without needing to buy and manually add chlorine. All right, folks, that's everything you need to know about the Saltron Retro Saltwater Chlorinator. I hope this video helped you decide if it's the right fit for your pool. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button for me, drop a question in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more great ways to take care of your pool and minimize all those hassles. All right, stay cool, and I'll see you guys in the next one.